about being a night show? That's so cool.
branch to the beaches of the Bahamas, from the fields of the PGA to the stadiums of the NCAA, and other countries across our great nation. They're back for a second straight year here at EAA AirVenture. You can see them overhead. We have courtesy and we've got fireworks, folks. To get it started, let me introduce our ground safety officers. Ground safety officers, you couldn't see more here. Right there, ladies and gentlemen. Right on target. Come on, give me the hand. Right there behind me. So we're about to make a final call here in just a second for what they're going to do. But they are beginning to without the paramotor wings above them. Please direct your attention to Show Center. And Arrhythmia, there is an ultralight flying machine that you wear like a backpack. You see it on their backs right now. Within a week of proper training, parameters are easy to fly. First on. We're going to see some of that right now while the other members of Arrhythmia are guiding the wings. The mission of the Arrhythmia is to share the awarded paramotor while entering all different backgrounds and inspiring them to learn more about the purest form of recreational fun. We're getting ready for the NATO right here, only at Flight Fest, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, without that week of training, you can learn how to run into the sky and fly the paramotor yourself.